Yo, me and Zoe did something really cool just now, but I didn't film it. So did it really happen? We have a seat switch from a Trans Am that you cannot buy. Every once in a while, one of these switches will come up for sale on eBay. I'm sure I've heard of somebody who got one through vlogs, blogs, whatever, but I scoured the internet, couldn't find one, so I had to rebuild it myself. Sometimes you can't buy parts, so you got to get creative, which would be rebuilding it, making it, manufacturing it, rewiring, whatever you got to do, make it work. Thought I'd put this video out there. If there's anybody with a Trans Am with a seat switch like this, see, this is your front cover with your switch. This is going to go over here, and that's going to connect to those 3 pegs right there, up, down, left, right, tilt, tilt. All right, all you got to do is disassemble it. Be careful and make sure you know where everything goes. And clean off all your contact points. And it'll work again. There's nothing to this. Unless something's fried, there's nothing to it. It will work again. Just clean it all. Here's some resources that I found. By the way, you can follow me on Spotify. Here, let me click on my profile. Right here, I put together playlists for people like me. Look, we got Divorced Dad Rock. All right, let's not get distracted. I found this forum right here and another one right there. Freeze if you need it. Right here is what I needed. What direction do each one of these levering pins face? And these pins are sandwiched in between that whiteboard and this blackboard. Doesn't look too tough, right? Well, those 2 middle pins right there have to go on the back side of this black. And what you're gonna find you need to, I don't even know how they made these at the manufacturing plant. It was a pain until I was like, you know what? I'm gonna glue them in. So I grabbed some gel super glue right here. You see that? Gel super glue. And just barely glued the top 2 middle pins in. If you follow this forum, it will tell you how to rebuild it. But it is such a pain. Those 2, they don't sit there. They sit above the black plastic. They want to fall down, but you have to put it in this way so gravity is going to work its magic. So just a tiny bit of glue there and there. Held them in. Just a dab. Just a dab will do ya. And then I was blew it dry with my mouth. And then clipped them together. And look, all our switches work now. Look. All right, this one goes, this goes left and right. Wait, which way does this go? Yeah, left and right. Look, it works. We successfully rebuilt it, just had to get creative. It took me so long just to find this, that finding a how-to for this, impossible. So I think I might be the only one out there for a Trans Am seat switch that you cannot buy. Couldn't find a used one anywhere on the internet currently. And boom, rebuilt. Everything works now. Super duper. They'll be happy. It's a collector's edition. Blah, 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 blah. Can't buy it. Fixed. Let's go. That was a pain in the ass. Bye.